Feldman, and I'm from Performance Plus Tire, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about who we are and what we do. I'm part of a 51-year-old family business that's been selling tires and wheels on the internet, as well as we have a big retail operation in Long Beach, California. I'm here at our Tennessee warehouse, and I want to talk a little bit about what we've got going on here. We have a bunch of mounted sets all ready to go that we take out to shows and that we sell online, so you can come in. You can place an order online and we'll have it ready to go for you. Here we've got a bunch of Chevy truck applications. We sell a variety of product, including American Racing, Billet Specialties, US Mag, Boyd Coddington, and we also have some original equipment replica wheels. We also sell white wall and blue line, red line tires. Over here you can see our Diamondback Classic and a 20-inch blue line tire. We are probably one of the premier marketers of vintage tires in the country. And as you can see, we have all these sets mounted and ready to go.